Yeah.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how reset LG, this particular LG. So here and then volume down. So you press together. So you press when the power on, then you see the LG logo. Remove the hand from the power button and put it back again. So together, okay.
Yeah, I'm a gang on my own, you can never change it. I'm a root from the source, I'm a strong pillar in my hood. I believe for my niggas, respect nigga. I get love for my hood, believe it or not. You see all the niggas in my hood, you gotta say Charlie up on. Charlie that be the way we they do one. We the seat, we the chat, Charlie no job. Charlie no to wo vieji anyonyoga na gama suko onto anyanyaga. I believe say anyonyoga. Mese goma be anyonyoga. Aba amanyuwana. I believe say anyonyoga. Mese goma be anyonyoga. Aba maumanyuwana. I believe say anyonyoga. Mese goma be anyonyoga. Aba amanyuwana. I believe say anyonyoga. Mese goma be anyonyoga. Aba maumanyuwana. Hey, I've waited too long, give my shit, Lord help it. All the niggas waited too long, give the shit, Lord help it. I had no one, all the niggas in the streets wanna make it. Patience is what we need to move it. I gotta clear all the obstacles on my way, nigga, you know, mama, we gon' make it. Yes, you know, we gon' make it. I believe, say